How are you? My brother. At last you are here. Yeah, that's great. Welcome.
Many honest.
Bishop, how are you?
Joseph Kaguna, they count on everyone to pray for our needs and the people of the world, to rejoice in His love and His sent in His peace. We are heirs of the Father, renewed in the Spirit. The Lord be with you. Let us praise the Lord.
The lost are found. His goodness and mercy will follow you all the days of your life.
His Majesty, judge the living and the dead. We may rise to your stands to recite the apostle who have Lord.
Wakuwavuta karibu na wewe wasaidie.
Wahudumu wako wakutumikie kwa uaminifu.
Bariki na kuongoza askofu wetu makasisi, hekima askofu wetu mkuu Daktari, kwamba kupitia kwao wote wote wanaolikiri jina lako takatifu hapa kwetu na penginepo pia, upende kwa rehema
Kwa kuomba umlinde na kumwongoza ni mamlaka wakabili bila woga wala upendeleo, ili haki
Mwenye mapenzi mwanao Yesu Kristo alipenzi yako yatimizwe katika kuyabadili maisha wageni wa makovu, upende kwa rehema usizo
Uaminifu wako kutoka vizazi hadi vizazi, yadumishe
to perform their day-to-day activities. Bless the labor of their hands. Bless them as they go out to do what you created them for. And if it pleases you for these children and grandchildren of their servants, we commit mercy as you called their parents in the church.
Our consistent support to your servant Joseph, excellency the progress. Her happened and exemplary life has impacted.
And as long as the hitherdoers seed time and harvest, may fears, anxieties, and uncertainties about the future we commit this your servant.
Take their seats. We will turn to page 11. Tujalie tujue kweli yako katika ulimwengu.
Tambua tu wageni ambao wamefika, alafu tuweze
I